This book is called The Great Ice Cream Blizzard. It's my 10th publication, and it's actually inspired by the town I grew up in Breckenridge, Colorado. I was also a ski racer here back in the day, so there's a lot of nostalgic elements in this storyline. Also, if you liked Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs, that book growing up, you will certainly enjoy this one. So here we go. Dedicated to a special ski town in Colorado. When the snow fell down, there was a place where everyone loved to go. That place was called Breckhaven, a special ski town named after two face-like mountains, Breck and Haven, which overlooked the town. Breckhaven even had a 10-seat chairlift. Most ski resorts had only 6 seats. The town always got the most snow out of any ski resort, and that's why people came there. Breckhaven was the poshest place to go skiing. People came from all over the world. Some dressed up in jeans and cowboy hats, others in spacesuits like they just stepped out of a rocket. One day, the Breckhaven weather station noticed a strange blizzard coming, and although it saw lots of blizzards, this one was very different. The snow fell all day and all through the night, brightening the sky with pink and green to yellow and even dark chocolate colors. And what do you think happened when the skiers went up the slopes the next day? The whole mountain was covered with the new snow. A curious child licked some of the snow off her finger. Suddenly she screamed, it's ice cream!" Soon word spread throughout Breckhaven that this was not a snow blizzard after all. No one knew how it happened, but no one cared. Ice cream was everywhere now. Everything was going just wonderfully until it became really sticky. Sure enough, the ice cream started melting into town. Everything and everywhere was so gooey that the tourists started evacuating. The ski patrol was not so in control anymore. They now had to turn into the ice cream patrol. And instead of the firemen fighting fires, they were now fighting ice cream goop everywhere. Meanwhile, some clouds rolled in and it started to get cold again. The local townspeople hoped that it wasn't another ice cream storm. Having lots of ice cream was fun, but they truly missed their snow. They got their wish because later that day they started to see little white flurries coming down. Hooray! Their snow was back! The storm picked up and the snow started dumping into Breckhaven, washing all the ice cream away. The mountain was back to normal, but on a clear day, just above the clouds was a little patch of ice cream with a cherry on the tippy top. It became a reminder to all the townspeople of the great ice cream blizzard. The end.